Hey, thanks for tuning into my channel. Project I got going here today. Got this old vise. Came from my great grandpa. It was in his shop. Somehow I came by it. It's an old Lakeside number 26 Anvil Vise. Opens to about 4 inches. Go get this thing restored. It's just been sitting around rusted and just needs some tender love and care. And I'll go mount it on my workbench here. Go probably put a new coat of paint on it. But just looking at this thing, it has a lot of nicks. It's been well used. One can only imagine the projects this thing was involved in over the years. It's been sitting on my garage floor. I was moving some stuff and kicked it, and I thought, you know, I'm gonna get this thing restored and back into service. So I've had it, it's rusted up. I've had it soaking in some vinegar, take the rust off of it. And I got some of this contractor solvent that I've been using to, just been put the whole vise in a bucket and letting it soak there. Had it soaking for, I don't know, 24 hours or so. It seems to be taking all the rust and all the grease and everything else that's on this off. So I'm just finishing it up right now. I got a real soft brush in my little Dremel here, and been taking off some of the harder spots and getting it polished up. But anyway, come along with me here on this little project. I think I'll go to town and get me some green paint so I can get this thing painted back up. Anyway, come along. Forgot to mention here, having a cup of coffee out of one of my favorite mugs. It's Christmas time. This is the Christmas story mug. Remember the story, the major award, I think was the comment. Anyway, may or may not have some spirits in this, but Merry Christmas anyway. Let's get back to working on this thing. If that fits. Yeah, like a charm. Hey there. Let's see, what is it? Yeah, Christmas morning 2019. Got Christmas over with. Everybody went on their way. So now I'm out here in my garage. I'm going to finish up restoration of this Lakeside number 26 Anvil Vise here. Got it painted. Went to town and got some interior exterior premium paint and primer. It says there, gloss enamel. Picked it up at the hardware store. Got it painted, looking pretty sharp here. So go get it mounted here on my workbench and get this thing back into service. But, got it all cleaned up. Used some vinegar, soaked it in vinegar, got all the rust off of it. Took a wire brush, a fine wire brush, got it all shined back up and painted it. So got it back into service. So I was trying to figure out how old this thing was. I don't know, I know it's at least over 50 years old because I can remember this thing mounted on my great grandpa's workbench in his shop. So I know it's over 50. So it's probably closer to somewhere around 80, 90 years old, this vise here. So I guess I could say it's a vintage vise. But anyway, you'll get that mounted up, then hey, I got this project I'm going to do here today. got this sign for Christmas. One of my kids gave it to me. Alcohol, because no great story ever started with someone eating a salad. Ain't that the cotton picking truth? And I'm going to mount this thing up down in my barbecue pit. So I think it'll go good down there. But anyway, thanks for tuning in, and my channel, watching some of the projects and hunting trips I get involved in. So come along and hit that sub button. You know, you can always leave me a comment if you like. So anyway, Merry Christmas.